Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others.
Can I come in?
Yeah, I gotta close that door for you. It's a little broken. The main part is broke. How you doing, man?
Great. Could you tell me your name and what's in here first? Nice.
So,
I like that. That's pretty cool.
Thanks.
What's your name? What's in here, man?
My name's Jhonny. We're based in Maxima on Instagram.
Okay.
And it's 4 Sundown ZV515s, 4 Audio Apex Cap 22s
Okay.
with 200 amp hour of Yinlock. And Rogue Audio mids and highs.
Yep. Who did the doors? This looks good.
I did them.
I like it.
Thank
Nice
you,
job.
man. Yeah, I don't know if you remember last time that you heard it. I had different doors, but since then I redid my floor. It's a full wooden floor now.
Okay.
And
Can you tell a difference doing some of the cabin work?
oh yeah. Before I did it, it was a 160.1, and it's definitely a little bit louder now.
Yeah. What's your box tuning on this?
It's a 28er.
Let's tune that. What's your electrical light?
It's a 250 amp Team GP alternator and 200 amp hour yellow.
Okay. I'm gonna go check out the back. All right, for sure. Thank you, man.
I'll play some highs and then I'll play the low notes after.
Sure.
I'll have you open your door after to get some wind.
Okay. All right. Yeah, love to hear it. Oh, yeah. Cracked your windshield.
Yeah. I'll play some highs and then I'll play the low notes after.
Sure. it's loud. Good job. That sounds great.
Thank you, man.
Really musical too, because you're about to give me some lows, so you can show
yeah.
both ends. All right, awesome. Nice job. Woo.
I'll have you open your door after to get some wind.
Okay.
I just want some ice on my wrist so I look better when I dance. Have you looking at it, put you in the trash? I just wanna rollie with a dapper with. I already got something better to hold on my wrist. I just on my wrist so I look better when I dance. You looking at it, put you in the trash. Yeah.
My rollie don't. Yeah, that way. Yeah.
That's good. Oh yeah.
Play some lower frequency.
Okay. You've done a really good job with your roof.
Thank you,
And
man.
just everything cabin wise, you can tell not moving as much, which helps keeps your pressure on the demo. So really good job. I like it.
Thanks, man. That was my main goal, is make sure nothing moves.
Yeah. I mean, you can't stop it 100%,
Oh,
but
yeah.
you can work
There's
on
always
it. You
gonna
did
be a
good.
little bit.
Yes, sir. So what frequency range are you about to play?
Right now, I think this song's like 19 or 20.
Okay.
And it's got some high
Really low.
notes in it, too.
Yes, sir. All right.
Be in a place where you don't fit in. 'Cause love will find
You can fall.
Really good. Thank you for the 3-song demo. That was awesome, man. I appreciate it. Sure. Okay. Yeah. Open right here. Yep. Oh, your door's heavy. All right.
Benjamin Franklin, тут не топоры, набивать мани. Сам по себе я сам на грани. Тут нету места паршивым граням. Любая бывает спокойно. Да без монет, вот это травма. Деньги собрал, я же чувствую.
Nice job. That is awesome. I appreciate the demo, man. No problem, man. You got really good bandwidth and you understand where to load off of to play different frequencies. So.